Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to share what I found for my dry, brittle hair with you. I'm loving this Too Chic Ultra Moist Dual Action Protective Leave-In Spray made by Giovanni. It is for dry damaged hair, and that is definitely for me. I love that it's made with great ingredients like avocado oil and olive oil, so you know they're going to be moisturizing. As you can see on my hand, it's just a nice lightweight. It soaks right in. So on your hair, it's not going to be heavy. It's not going to feel greasy or look oily. You just need a few sprays in your clean, damp hair. I like to really work it through and make sure that it's all in my hair so that when I use my blow dryer, I know that I am protecting my hair from any heat styling or any breakage. And then as you can see, it really just kind of helps give that shine back to my hair, that healthy look. And it's really has prevented split ends anymore. I love that I'm moisturizing it and conditioning it, and so when I do fix it with hot tools, it kind of brings back life to my hair. It's got a bounce, it's got a shine. It's just overall improved the texture and look of my hair. So I absolutely love that this is not only repairing my dry damaged hair, it's moisturizing and conditioning it, but it's also going to protect it from further damage. It's a wonderful leave-in conditioner, and that is my point of view.